Now we're talking about Demo 3, and Demo 3 is found very simply by just going to demo3.php on your website. So change Demo 2 to Demo 3, and this one also has no JavaScript. There's no JavaScript going on. So let me show you what this does. It's grabbing information out of the database and giving you a choice of choose a population growth target. So you can choose anything from a 5% increase to greater than 50% increase. So this, in other words, the whole function here, the whole idea behind this is that we have database information, and let's say that the web app that we were creating, the web application, the goal was to give folks information that showed them the population growth for different counties in the state of Florida. Now that may not sound very sexy to you, but the point is that you can, I had to use some data set, so this is the one that I chose. But you can use whatever data that you have in a database and you can massage it however you want. This is just an example. So let's choose greater than 35%. Actually, let's choose something less. Let's choose 25% increase. And then I'll click Get Population Data. Now, before I do that, let me just remind you, this is not an Ajax-powered page. Demo 3 is a different way to show the same data out of the database. So I'll click Get Population Data, and it posts to a new page, and this is posting to results3.php. And we've got 4 counties with growth greater than 25%. We've got Flagler County, Lake County. You can read the rest. Let me go back, click the back button, and I'll choose 30% increase. So now we've got 3 counties. So as we ratchet this up, let's go to 40%. Okay, so finally we get to 1 county with growth greater than 40%. And I believe that's over the time frame of 2001 to whatever the highest number is. This will make more sense as we go through the rest of the demonstrations. But I wanted to show you that this has no JavaScript. Let me go ahead and go to Demo 4 and give you a sneak peek of what's in store for us. Demo4.php. Okay, choose population growth target. So as soon as I change the drop down, it's grabbing JavaScript through Ajax. It's sending the information over to a PHP page, and it's sending this info back right here, and giving you an idea of how many counties have growth greater than 50%, 15%, or whatever you've chosen. Let's ratchet up to 25%. Okay, 4 counties. So the reason why this is handy is because this will tell your visitor how many results that they can expect before they submit the information. I can't tell you how many times someone will have a search field or search form on their page, and you fill out all this information, and you're going to narrow down the query. You know, I want to search the database for this and this and this. Only you know, these data sets. You hit go, and it goes to this other page and says, sorry, nothing was found. And then you got to go back and change all the information, sometimes fill in information again. And it would be so nice to be able to know ahead of time, okay, well, how much does that, you know, how many results are going to be returned to me? You don't have to show me the details, just how many results are going to be shown to me. And that's what this is doing. So if I do 10% increase, it can say 35 counties with growth greater than 10%. If you want to see the details, then all you have to do is click here, and it takes us over to the page. So this is actually still taking us to results3.php, but the Ajax part of it is that it's telling us beforehand, here's how many results that you can expect. So that's where the usability comes in. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, and then what I'll do is I'll go in the next chapter, I'll go into more detail about how we make this magic happen for Demo 4.